everyone. Today we are making a homely and flavorful mixed veg that's going to be perfect with chapati or rice. Let's start with 3 chopped onions, that's about 180 grams, 3 diced potatoes, about 110 grams, half cup green peas, about 70 grams, 2 roughly chopped capsicum, about 80 grams, 2 small brinjal diced, about 100 grams, 130 grams of roughly chopped cauliflower, roughly chopped 1 carrot, about 60 grams, finely chopped 1 inch ginger, 2 chopped green chillies, finely chopped 5 garlic cloves, about 20 grams, chopped ivy gourd 80 grams, and 2 chopped tomatoes, about 120 grams.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a pot and add 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds. Now add onion, green chilli, garlic, ginger, 10 to 15 curry leaves and 10 to 15 mint leaves. Now stir fry on high flame for 2 minutes. Then we'll add tomatoes, and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Now we'll add 200 ml of water and cook for 5 minutes on high flame. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of Sabji Masala, 1 teaspoon Kitchen King Masala, half teaspoon Garam Masala, half teaspoon Turmeric Powder, half teaspoon salt or as per your taste, and 1 sachet of Maggi Masala Magic. Now cook for 3 minutes on low flame. Now we'll add green peas, carrot, capsicum, cauliflower, ivy gourd, brinjal, and potatoes. Now mix everything well. And then cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Sprinkle little water and stir occasionally. Now mix everything well. Now sprinkle little water and do not stir. And then cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Now mix everything nicely. And our mixed veg is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!